Right. So we'll walk through some order of operations problems with you, just in case you need a little bit of review. So the first couple of examples are just solving for x and number one and a and number two, and you'll notice that these variables are by themselves on one side of an equal sign already. So I'm just going to go through this side and simplify a little bit. So I'll carry down the x equals, and then our order of operations says to start inside of the parentheses. I'm going to carry down the 35. And then I'll look to see what I have to simplify on the inside. So first thing I'm going to notice is that I have a fraction over here. I'm going to simplify that first. So I'll pull over the 7 plus, and then I'll divide 63 by 9, which gives me 7. I'll close my parentheses. While I'm over here, I'll simplify my exponent a little bit. That's telling me to do 2 times 2, which will give me a 4. In my next step, I'm still noticing that I have some stuff to simplify on the inside of the parentheses. So I'm still working on that P of the order of operations. So I'll pull down the 35, add my 7 plus 7 together to give me a 14, and that's raised to the fourth power. The next thing my order of operations says to do, now that I've cleaned up the stuff inside the parentheses, is to do the term with the exponent. So I'm going to pull down the x equals. I'm going to pull down that 35. I'm not going to do anything with that yet. And I'm going to evaluate what is 14 to the fourth power. And that's telling me that that's going to be 38,416. And the order or the operation between the 35 and this 38,416 is multiplication. So my last step is going to be to multiply that. So my x value is going to be 1344560. All right, let's take a look at a similar example. This one's a little bit different because now we're dealing with some decimals, but you'll see that the process is pretty much the same. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the inside of the parentheses. So I'll pull down the a equals 1500. I'll open this up. I'm noticing that I have a fraction on the inside here, so I'm going to do that division first. So it'll be 1 plus 0.0675 divided by 4 gives me a decimal, so it's 0.016875. I'm going to close that up, and I'll evaluate that exponent. So 10 times 4 gives me an exponent of 40. I still have some stuff to clean up on the inside of the parentheses. So I'll pull down this a is equal to 1500. When I add those together, that's going to be 1.016875 raised to the 40th power. I'll go ahead and now that I'm done cleaning up the parentheses, I'm going to evaluate this term with the exponent on it. So pull down the a is equal to 1500. This 1.016875 raised to the 40th power gives me another decimal, so about 1.953. I'm just going to write out all of the places that my calculator is giving me here. And again, the operation between the 1500 and this long decimal is multiplication, so I'll go ahead and multiply that by 1500. So my A is equal to 29.503831. All right, so what happens now in examples 3 and 4, where we notice that the variable that we want to solve for is not by itself on one side of the equal sign. So the order of operations is still going to kind of stay the same. So I'm going to notice that P parentheses, I have stuff to clean up on the inside here. So I'll bring down this 22,235,298 equal to X. And then I'm going to start cleaning up on the inside here. So I have a 2 squared. I'll simplify that to 4 plus 21 divided by 7. It gives me a 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and evaluate that exponent. So 3 times 2 is going to give me an exponent of 6. So I still have some stuff to clean up here. So bring down this 235,298 equal to X times 4 plus 3 gives me a 7 raised to the 6th power. My order of operations now tells me to keep on going with this term with the exponent because now I've cleaned up all the stuff on the inside of the parentheses. I'm moving to the exponent term. So I'll bring down this 235,298 equal to X times, and again, the operation between here is multiplication. So 7 to the 6th power is 117,649. And now I want to get the X by itself. So since this is being multiplied, to undo that, I'm going to go ahead and divide each side by this 117,649. I'll do that over here too. So over here, these terms cancel out, and then what I end up doing is I end up dividing this 235,298 by the 117,649, and that tells me that my x value is 2. All right, so last example. Again, the variable that we want to solve for is kind of within this stuff on the right-hand side, so I'm still going to work with my order of operations. So I'm going to work with parentheses first. So 1200 is equal to p times. The only thing I have to clean up here in my first step is this fraction, because I just can pull down that 1 plus. So 0.09 divided by 12 gives me 0.0075. I'm going to clean up that exponent. So 12 times 6 gives me 72. I'm going to add these two terms together. So still pull down that 1200 equal to p times 1.0075 raised to the 72 power. Go ahead and evaluate that on my calculator. And that's going to get me a pretty long decimal. So 1200 is equal to p times, again, still multiplication here, 1.712552707. And then to undo that, to get the p by itself, I'm going to go ahead and divide each side of the equation by this 1.712552707. Do that over here as well. So that's going to tell me that p is 1200 divided by 1.712552707. So p is approximately 700.7083607. All right, so I hope that helps. Now you can go ahead and do the try these examples.